Okay, so hello, my lovelies. Now the sound came back. All right, so I'm gonna try to power through this video and speak as loud as I need to speak so that hopefully I overpower that sound. But I'm coming at you guys with an update on my teeth. So as you can see, I do not have my Bytes in right now because they're actually right here sitting next to me. I just took them out because I'm getting ready to go eat. But pretty much a lot of you have been DMing me and asking a lot of questions about my Byte, so I just wanted to come and answer a couple questions. Why are they asking for my social or my driver's license? If you're doing any type of payment plan with them, that is what that information is for. Obviously, whenever you call any number, make sure it's the correct number. You're not calling like a random number and then giving out your information. Second thing is, people have been asking me what's my Byte been like since doing Byte, because I only have a couple weeks left, so I'm almost done. And I guess some people are saying they heard people who have like a weird bite after they fix their teeth, no pun intended, but as far as like chewing and like things like that, it just feels like it's not right. For me personally, that is not an issue. I've been able to eat. Nothing feels different. I do sense that your mouth holds a little bit different, so I guess I'm kind of getting used to holding my mouth. Sometimes I like catch my mouth like slightly open, but I just feel that's just because I'm not used to my teeth being this straight. So I have no adjustment issues like some of the other companies or anything. Next question was, how do I like my experience so far? So Byte has been great. I was fortunate to have a short treatment time, and it was 3 months, and obviously it shortened up with the hyper Byte thing that I showed you in the last video that you pop in your mouth and it vibrates your teeth, and basically instead of wearing your Byte for 2 weeks, you could then just wear it for 1 week and then switch to your next one. So it automatically cuts the time in half compared to other aligner companies. So that was a major plus for me going with Byte because of that. No one wants to be in braces, point blank period. Nobody. Customer service, how has that been? So everyone has been super amazing to the point where like my mom wants braces again, and she had braces back when I was like a child, like almost a baby. And she has a gap that sometimes she wants there, sometimes she doesn't. So she's even inquired, it's, you get me, on using Byte as well, because I definitely suggested that to her. Whew, I'm screaming trying to cover these noises. My throat is not used to projecting so much. Lastly, people will ask me if they're a candidate for Byte. So obviously once you do your impression kit, that will dictate if you are a candidate or not. So instead of paying the $95 for your starter kit, with my code LINDAELAINE right here, you can get it for $25. And I'm telling you that so that you can save money on your initial, because that kit is basically what dictates if you are a candidate for Byte. That's another reason why I like this company, because they're not just taking on people that aren't good candidates for aligners. So that does happen. I had a friend who can't have it on the bottom, but they can have it on the top. It happens. So I appreciate them for just being honest and not just taking people's money. Again, if you want to get started, you need your impression kit. Byte, not me, is the one to tell you if you're the right candidate. So again, instead of $95, if you use my code LINDAELAINE, you get it for $25. And of course, I leave all my links and coupon codes in the description box below. So I'm excited with you on your journey. I'm gonna show you my teeth. Hopefully you guys seen my difference in teeth in this short period of time, and I'm so thankful and so grateful that I finally did this with Byte. So I can't think of the next question that someone asked. I thought I wrote it down, I didn't. But if you guys have any other questions about my Byte right now, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely get back to you on that. I've been writing a lot of you back who's been DMing me as well, so that's fine too, but I'm excited. I just called to say I'm almost done. That was corny. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat now. So I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. And like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am LINDAELAINE, and Snapchat at Jamexican Beauty. Deuces.